Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. The ultimate long-distance driving survival guide, car maintenance tips for epic road trips. Long-distance driving can be both exciting and daunting, especially when it comes to ensuring your car is ready for the journey ahead. Regular car maintenance is key to a smooth and safe trip. Whether you're hitting the open road for a vacation or traveling for work, taking care of your vehicle is essential for long drives. Today, we'll discuss some practical and easy-to-follow car maintenance tips to keep in mind before embarking on your next long-distance adventure. From checking your tire pressure to topping up essential fluids, these tips will help you enjoy a worry-free journey. Let's dive in. Pre-trip inspection. Before embarking on a long-distance journey, it's crucial to conduct a thorough pre-trip inspection of your vehicle. By ensuring your car is in top condition, you can minimize the risk of breakdowns and enjoy a smooth and hassle-free drive. Fluid levels. Checking and topping up all essential fluids like oil, coolant, brake fluid, and windshield washer fluid is paramount for the proper functioning of your vehicle. Low oil levels can lead to engine damage, while inadequate coolant can cause overheating. Brake fluid is essential for optimal brake performance, and windshield washer fluid ensures clear visibility during your journey. Tire condition. Inspecting tire pressure, tread depth, and overall condition before a long drive is vital for safety. Proper tire pressure improves fuel efficiency and handling, while adequate tread depth provides traction on the road. Ensure there are no signs of wear or damage that could compromise your tire's performance during the trip. Brake system. The brake system is a critical safety component of your vehicle. Inspecting brake pads, rotors, and brake fluid before a long-distance drive is essential for optimal brake performance. Worn-out brake pads or low brake fluid levels can compromise your ability to stop quickly and safely. Regular maintenance of the brake system is key to ensuring your safety on the road. Pre-trip inspection checklist. Before hitting the road for a long-distance drive, make sure to check the following items: engine oil level, coolant level, brake fluid level, windshield washer fluid level, tire pressure and condition, tread depth of tires, brake pad thickness, brake rotor condition. By performing a comprehensive pre-trip inspection and addressing any issues beforehand, you can ensure a safe and trouble-free journey. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in keeping your vehicle running smoothly and reliably on the open road. On the road essentials. Whether you are embarking on a long-distance road trip or just heading out for an extended drive, ensuring you have the right essentials on hand can make a significant difference in your journey's safety and convenience. Emergency kit. When hitting the road for a long drive, it's crucial to have an emergency kit packed and ready in case the unexpected happens. Here are some must-have items to include in your emergency kit. First aid kit. Be prepared for any minor injuries or medical needs that may arise during your trip. Warning triangles. These are essential for alerting other drivers if you encounter a roadside emergency. Flashlight. A reliable flashlight can be a lifesaver if you find yourself stranded in the dark. Basic tools. Carrying basic tools such as screwdrivers, pliers, and duct tape can help you handle minor car issues on the go. Spare tire and tools. One of the most common issues drivers face on long-distance journeys is a flat tire. To be prepared for such an inconvenience, make sure you have the following items in your vehicle. Fully inflated spare tire. Ensure your spare tire is in good condition and properly inflated before setting off on your trip. Jack. A sturdy jack is necessary for lifting your vehicle to change a tire safely. Lug wrench. This tool will allow you to remove and tighten the lug nuts on your vehicle's wheels without difficulty. By equipping yourself with an emergency kit, spare tire, and essential tools, you can drive with peace of mind knowing that you are prepared to handle common roadside issues during your long-distance travels. Driving and fuel efficiency tips. Driving long distances requires a strategic approach to ensure both fuel efficiency and driver safety. By adopting smooth driving habits and incorporating regular breaks into your journey, you can optimize your fuel consumption and maintain alertness on the road. Smooth driving habits. Maintaining a steady speed while driving can significantly improve fuel efficiency. Sudden acceleration and braking consume more fuel, so practicing smooth acceleration and gradual braking can help conserve energy. By driving at a consistent pace, you reduce the need for rapid fuel consumption, ultimately saving on gas and enhancing the longevity of your vehicle. Regular breaks and rest. Taking breaks during long drives is essential for both fuel efficiency and driver well-being. Fatigue can impair concentration and reaction time, increasing the risk of accidents. By stopping periodically to rest and stretch, you not only combat driver fatigue but also refresh your mind for better driving performance. Prioritize your safety by incorporating regular breaks into your itinerary, allowing you to arrive at your destination safely and efficiently. Implementing these driving and fuel efficiency tips can make a substantial difference in your long-distance journeys. By adopting a mindful approach to driving and prioritizing driver well-being, you can enjoy a smooth and economical travel experience while maintaining optimal fuel efficiency throughout your trip. Planning. When embarking on a long-distance journey, strategic planning plays a crucial role in ensuring a smooth and stress-free drive. Here are essential tips to consider as you plan for your upcoming road trip. Route mapping and navigation. Navigating through unfamiliar roads can be daunting, but with the help of modern technology, this task has been made more accessible. Consider using GPS devices or smartphone apps to map out your route beforehand. Plan your journey, taking into account potential traffic hotspots and road closures. By pre-planning your route, you can avoid unnecessary delays and make your travel experience more efficient. Accommodation and rest stops. Booking your accommodations in advance is a smart move that guarantees you a place to rest after a long day of driving. Research and identify suitable rest stops along your route where you can take breaks, stretch your legs, and rejuvenate. Whether it's for a quick pit stop or an overnight stay, knowing where these stops are located ahead of time can provide you with peace of mind and comfort during your long-distance drive. Strategic planning not only enhances the safety and efficiency of your journey but also adds a layer of convenience that can make all the difference during long hours on the road. By taking the time to plan, you pave the way for a memorable and enjoyable road trip experience. Taking care of your car before embarking on a long-distance journey is crucial for a smooth and hassle-free trip. Regular maintenance tasks such as checking tire pressure, fluid levels, and brakes can prevent breakdowns and ensure optimal performance. Remember to also pack emergency supplies and plan your route to stay prepared for any unexpected situations. By following these car maintenance tips, you can enjoy your road trip with peace of mind and confidence in your vehicle's reliability. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.